Hello friends, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to have a quiz on the topic that is titles given to our freedom fighters. Let's begin a quiz. Our first question is, who is known as Nightingale of India? Nightingale means a small brown bird that has a beautiful sound. Our options are option A, that is Sarojini Naidu, option B, Indira Gandhi, option C, Florence Nightingale, and option D is Padmaja Naidu. Correct option is option A, that is Sarojini Naidu. Let's see some more information about the life of Sarojini Naidu. As we know, she was born on 13 Feb 1879 in Hyderabad, that is the capital of Telangana state. She is known as Bharti Kokla because of very beautiful voice. As we know, she was a political activist, feminist, and a very famous poet because because of her notable work like the village song that is published in 1912 and also in the bazaars of Hyderabad that is also published in 1912, as she was the first Indian woman to be the president of Indian National Congress that ruled our India for many years. And Naidu was also appointed as the first governor of United Provinces for a period of two, that is from 1947 to 1949. Next question is, who among the following is also known as Deen Bandhu? Deen Bandhu means the friend of the poor. Our options are option A, Chitranjan Das, option B, Vinoba Bhave, option C, C.F. Andrews, and option D is William Hawkins. Our correct option is option C, that is C.F. Andrews. Let's have a look on the life of C.F. Andrews. His full name is Charles Ferrer Andrews and he was born on 12 February 1871 in Calcutta. As we know, he was an Anglican priest. Anglican priest means church ke pujari and a Christian missionary. He was a social reformer and activist for Indian independence. He is known as a social reformer because he procuring the basic rights for Indians in South Africa, and he authored a famous book that is Mahatma Gandhi's Life and Ideas in 1929. Our next question is, who among the following is also known as Deshbandhu? Deshbandhu means the friend of the nation. And our options are option A, Chitranjan Das, option B, Dadabhai Naroji, option C, Motilal Nehru, option D is Bipin Chandra Pal. Our correct option is option A, that is Chitranjan Das. Let's have a view on the life of Chitranjan Das. He was born on 5 November 1817 Calcutta. By profession, Dasji was a barrister. Barrister means Bada Vakil. And he was a leading figure from Bengal during the non-cooperation movement and is the person who initiated a ban on British made clothes and wearing khadi only. Who is known as Grand Old Man of India? Option A is Subhash Chandra Bose, option B is Dadabhai Naroji, option C is the Muhammad Iqbal, and our option D is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Let's think which is the correct option. Our correct option is option B, that is Dadabhai Naroji. Let's see some important points about the Dadabhai Naroji. He is the person who born on 4 September 1825 in Navsari, Gujarat. And he is the first Indian to be elected as a member of British Parliament. That is a very big achievement. As we know, he is an Indian political leader, merchant scholar, and a very famous writer. And his popular books include Poverty and Unbritish Rule in India, that is published in 1901, and Poverty of India in 1878. And this is a important books that we have to read. And these books are about explaining the drain of India's wealth into Britain. One is, which of the following is entitled as Lady with the Lamp? Our options are option A, Sarojini Naidu, option B, Mother Teresa, option C, Florence Nightingale, and option D is Padmaja Naidu. And the correct option is option C, that is Florence Nightingale. Let's see about the life of Florence Nightingale. She is the lady who was born on 12 May 1820 in Florence, Italy, and she was a British nurse and a social reformer. And her greatest life achievements are reform of the hospitals, and she also known as a foundational philosopher of the modern nursing. And she was awarded as Royal Red Cross in 1883 because of her special devotion in nursing sick and wounded servicemen. And she is the first woman to be awarded as the Order of Merit in 1907. Next question is, who is popularly known as Martin Luther of India? Our options are option A, Jawaharlal Nehru, option B, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, option C, Swami Vivekananda, and option D, Swami Shraddhanand. And the correct option is option B, that is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Let's see some important points about the life of Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swamiji was born on 12 Feb 1824 in Tankara, Gujarat. As we all know, he was an Indian philosopher, social leader, and a founder of Arya Samaj. His birth name is Mulshankar Tripathi, and he was the first person to give a call for Swaraj. As we all know, his popular books include the Satyat Prakash, that is published in 1875, and this book is about spread knowledge of Vedas and educate the people about the true qualities of God. And his different new book are Value of Values, that is published in 1993. Question is, who is known as father of Indian unrest? Our options are option A, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, option B, Lal Bahadur Shastri, option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and option D is Madan Mohan Malviya. And the correct option is option C, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Let's see some important points about the life of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Tilakji was born on 23 July 1856 in Chikali, Gujarat. And his famous slogan, as we all know, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. And his nickname is Lokmanya Tilak. He was a famous scholar, mathematician, and a very famous philosopher. And his famous newspapers are Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English. He also known as the first leader of the Indian independence movement. Our next question is, who is popularly known as maker of modern India? And our options are option A, that is Mahatma Gandhi, option B, Vallabhbhai Patel, option C is Keshav Chandra Sen, and option D is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Correct option is option D, that is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Let's see some important points about the Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Mohanji was born on 22 May 1772 in Radhanagar, that is in Bengal. He also known as the founder of the Brahmo Samaj, and he is the person who campaigned for the rights for women and including the rights for widows to remarriage. And this Raja title was given by the Mughal emperor, that is Akbar II, in 1831. He also known for the person who opposes the sati system and the practice of polygamy, that is having more than one wife at the same time. He is also known as the father of Bengal Renaissance. Thank you. Thanks a lot.